Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I will show you a quick build trick in Heartopia to color your walls, floors, or ceiling easily and much faster. Like sometimes when building a house, there are many parts that you want to change the color of, but taping and coloring them one by one can take a lot of time. And luckily, there's a tool that many players still don't know about that can make this process much easier. First, just tap on the advanced build at the top right corner, this one, until it shows a view like this, and then just tap on the coloring icon, this one, at the blue one, and then just choose the pattern. For example, I want to choose this one, and then just choose the color that you like. For example, I want to choose brown like this, and then next just activate the continue selections on this one until it's turned blue like this, and then just start to coloring. For example, I want to coloring the wall like this, and then next just simply swipe to the selections or to the part that you want like this. Just simply swipe, not tap it one by one. And it works same when you coloring the ceiling. For example, like this, just tap on the ceiling menu and then just tap on the pattern, choose the color, and then just activate the continuous selections like this, and then just swipe at the ceiling part. For example, like this. Like this, you can see the coloring will be much easier with this way. And also it works for the floor. And next, you can also just tap on the pipette icon, this one, and then just tap on the part whose color you want to copy. For example, I want to copy this part with this pattern, and then I will apply it to this wall. So just activate the continue selection again, and then just swipe it like this. And with this way, coloring will apply much faster. And okay, that's it, a simple build trick to make coloring your house in Heartopia much easier and faster. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you!